Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Cat. Today you saw right, we're going to Dollar General to do the 5 off 25 glitches, low prices, and substitutes. So come on and follow me. Guys, the first deal that I have is this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6 items. This is your 5 off 25 for Saturday. This is $5. You're going to take away $3. I'm going to scan every one off for you. This is $5. You're going to take away $2. This is $5.35. You're going to take away $2. This is $3.25. You're going to take away $2.30. This is $4. You're going to take away $1. And this is $4.35. You're going to take away $3. Now, let's scan everything. Whatever I can't scan, I'm going to show you because some of the things I use my coupons on. So here is the Febreze. $3.25. It's going to leave you paying $1 or 95 cents. This is the Downy Fabric Calm. $5. It's going to take away $3, leave you with $2 to pay out of pocket. This is the Pine-Sol. It's $4. It's going to leave you with $1, so that's $3. Okay, this is the Schick. That's the Schick, $5.35, and it's $2. Okay, nothing else, $2. Okay, that is the CoverGirl, $4.95, and you're going to take away $3. Okay, and for the Finish, $5, going to take off $2. So once you do all of your deals, all your coupons, make sure you scan and make sure every one of them attach. Then make sure you attach that 5 off 25. That's the important coupon. Let's see what you get after you attach everything. You're going to either pay $8.65 out of pockets or $9.15. It depends on the price of this, because some places is $3.25 and some of them is $5. For me, it's $5. So that's how much I'm going to pay out of pocket for that first deal. Okay, this is a great deal. You need it, grab it. In between doing these deals, I want to insert an any day deal in here, which I already had one inserted, but I want to insert another one. This right here, you got a coupon. That's $3.25. That's $5. This is $1, and that's $2. Take $2.30 off. Take $3 off. Take 50 cents off. Take $1.50 off, and you'll be paying $4.95 for this any day deal. That's an any day deal. Hey guys, here is our laundry deal. Good laundry deal. Good one. Okay, so you guys know the buy two get one free. The Fabuloso, pick that up because it's $4.50. It's a method to this madness. Then you buy 2 Suavitels, or you could have bought 2 of these for $3.95, or you could have bought those for $3. Okay, once you do that, then pick up the Downy. It's $6.95. Then you're going to pick one of these up. That is $4 and so. It's $4.25. Then you're going to pick one tied up for $3.50. Now, when you get ready to check out, this is $4.50. Put this up first. Then these. Okay, then your swabs. Okay, then it doesn't matter about the other sequence. Let's scan things. If I have a coupon for it to show up, if I don't, that's why I showed you the yellow tags. Okay, so the Tide, there it is right there, and the 50-cent coupon attached. The Downy and the $2 coupon attached. Now this is just a deal. Fabuloso, $4.50. Then you see that buy 2 select Ajax, Fabuloso, Suavitel, get one free. So we're going to get one free. The object is to pick this one up because it's going to take $4.50 off if you put it up first. Okay. The Arm & Hammer, I showed you that because I grabbed that deal. Okay guys, so here it is right here. That's the Arm & Hammer, and that's the deal. $175 off. So after you do all of that, okay, so all of this together is $27. You're gonna have all your laundry stuff. Laundry, all of that is laundry. Okay, so that's what it leaves you. You'll be paying $13.45 out of pocket for a laundry deal. This is a good laundry deal right here. That's how much you'll be paying out of pocket. So now we're going to talk about substitutions. That's not a substitute. That's not. When you're gonna substitute, make sure it's more than $2 to take off. That's a good substitute. That's definitely a good substitute. That's a good substitute. And this is a good substitute. These products should be here. This one was kind of hidden on the dollar aisle. But the rest of these are good substitutes. You can find substitutes all over. Look for them. How do you know what to substitute out? If you want to lower your price, get a product that's cheap but with a higher coupon value to it. That's how you're going to get that substitute in there and out of the way. Okay, so all of these deals right here, I gave you one deal for $8 and on up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's scan everything. You can see the prices. On the first thing we're going to scan is the Glad garbage bags with pine sol. Let's scan those and see what they come up to. Okay, so that came up to $5.95 and it's $1.50 off coupon. Then we're going to scan the Sparkle paper towel, $7.50, $2 off coupon. Then we're going to scan the Angel Soft Tissue, $5.95 with $1 off coupon. And then that is $2 and a $1 coupon is attaching. So let's see exactly how much we got all together. Okay, and scan the Arm & Hammer. Okay, we already know that's $4.25 plus $1.75 off. Okay, all together you come up to $26.65. So let's see what we have. We have a puff that's $2. $1 coupon is attaching, making these $1. You got Angel Soft that's $6.95. $1 coupon is attaching, making these $5.95. You got that Glade that's $5.95. $1.50 coupon is attaching, making this $3.50. Then you got the Arm & Hammer that's $4.25 and $1.75 is attached. Then you have the Sparkle that's $7.50 and the $2 is attaching. So let's see what we got here. So for the tissue deal, $14.40. If you could find something else that attach that's cheaper, then grab it. But I tried to do an all tissue deal. This is tissue, paper towel, garbage bags, box tissue, and a cleaning. You can grab another cleaning supply. You could grab a pine sol. Just make sure to give you enough off that you won't have so much out of pocket, because that's what you're trying to prevent, the out of pocket price from being so high. Okay, you have to learn how to substitute, guys. You must learn how to substitute. These make good substitutes. All of them is 50 cents. Like this is a good substitute. These are $2 or more substituted out. Okay, these are your substitutes right here that you want to make sure you grab if you don't have anything. So this is what I would do. I would go in the store, I would grab these, then set them to the side and start doing your deals. If you don't have something, substitute these in and out. Okay, thanks guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this channel. Bye.